What's up? It's Seafood Day on Cooking with My Cookbook Authors. Today we're hanging out with Rebecca Abbott and Jennifer West, and we're going to be making some fried bacon wrapped shrimp, all in an air fryer. Stick around, it's going to be delicious. Let's go. I have all these beautiful shrimps. So many 1 pounds of shrimps, and I got my bacons cut in half here.
Okay.
So I also have my seasonings. I have a half a tablespoon of paprika, a half a tablespoon of brown sugar, and a tablespoon of black pepper, salt.
Good to go.
Yep.
I'm just gonna mix that all together.
Yeah. And then just sprinkle it over your shrimp.
Do I want to flip them and get both sides?
Yeah, you can.
A little sprinkle, 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 sprinkle. Hey, buddy.
I was just telling Jennifer, you're gonna like this even better. These bacon wraps.
These are addictive.
We were together a couple months ago and we made a bunch of shrimp recipes, and this was one of them. And I think we ate the whole batch.
I think I ate like the majority of that batch. I think you had like 2. I think I ate the rest of them.
I'm just kind of sprinkling them and tossing them a little, cause
Yeah.
I want a fully coated, delicious brown sugar, peppery
Yeah.
goodness. Cool. All right. So no toothpicks or anything required, yeah?
Nope.
No, you won't need them. Just when you're folding them, make sure like the end is on the bottom. That way, when it does cook, it's not like gonna roll up on you.
So I'm going to just put the little
Yep.
the skinnier piece in there, roll it all the way up,
Yep,
just set it,
perfect. Yep.
set her down on in my basket. Now, do I need to preheat the air fryer, or do I
No.
not preheat the
You
air
don't
fryer?
have to. No.
Your air fryer is still gonna be a little bit warm because you just made something too. So it's gonna be good to go.
And these are what, 5 minutes?
No, they're 9. 9 to 10 minutes, but I would
Yeah.
say do 9.
390.
9 minutes.
We're gonna bump up the temperature a little bit.
So 390 is my standard temp. Whenever I turn on the Ninja, it automatically goes to 390. And honestly, I don't hardly switch that temperature for anything ever. Like, I don't read the instructions on French fry bags or
You just air fry
Anything
everything
anymore?
at 390. Okay.
at 390, and I watch it. So like any French fry or onion ring or anything like that is always like a 5-minute check, flip, shake, 5 minutes, check again, flip, shake, and just kind of feel it out. Because I found that almost every air fryer instruction on packaging at the store is never right?
Yeah.
Like,
That's with any recipe. As a cook, any recipe I've ever tried that someone's given me, I always take a few minutes off and check it.
you know, this is suggestions, not necessarily 100%, because
Yeah.
there's so many different brands, and particularly, you know, for an air fryer, an oven, you're like 350, and for the most part, generally the same, but so many different sizes, so many different styles, so many
Oh yeah.
just, you know, different brands that are all going to function slightly differently. 2, 1.
All right.
Oh, crispy. Can you hear it? Can you hear it?
Yeah.
Now, yeah.
Yeah. Does the bacon look like it's cooked, sizzling,
Sounds like it's good.
golden brown?
Oh yeah, super sizzling.
Yeah.
A couple maybe a little crispier than others, but otherwise they look great. They look like I want to shove them in my face.
Yeah.
Let them cool
Do
off
it.
a minute so you don't get burned.
Oh.
It looks so good.
Amazing.
I'm just gonna pull a couple out. Oh yeah, that one. Oh. I'm so happy right now.
Well,
You're
we're
gonna love
excited
them.
for you to try it too. It's kind of exciting on our end to actually see our recipes come to life for people and to
Yeah.
hear what you think of it. Like, we don't really get to do this very often.
No.
Yeah, I hear that a lot. I hear that a lot from authors. They're like, you know, I honestly don't know what it's like for people at home when they go through my recipe. It's the first time I've ever got to see somebody actually like try out my recipe and, you know, see if they run into any hiccups or questions,
Yeah.
comments, concerns. All right, I'm gonna do it, whether I burn my mouth or not.
Good.
I'm sure it's hot.
Very hot,
Yeah.
very delicious.
Good.
And then shrimp perfectly done. 9 minutes was the key. It was really hot.
I was gonna say you can let them cool for another minute or two.
Yeah, I would probably let them cool a little bit longer.
They'll taste better when they're not scalding. Yeah.
That's what I get for my impatience.
Yeah.
So,
Yeah, it is. It's exciting.
They're really good.
to see that though. Yeah.
Yeah, shrimp still moist. Air fryer, you don't need anything anymore. Just, if they had an air fryer when I was in college,
Oh
man,
yeah.